Tasi.
Can you trace the letter A in the air? Draw a slanted line from the top to the bottom left. Draw another slanted line from the top to the bottom right. Add a horizontal line in the middle to connect the two slanted lines. Great job! Let's learn how to trace the letter B. Get your finger ready and trace with me in the N. A straight line up, one round bump, another round bump. Now let's trace the letter C together. Hold up your finger and draw in the air. Start at the top, curve around, and stop at the bottom. Let's trace the letter D together. Get your finger ready in the air. Start with a line down, then around like a big belly. That's it. You traced the letter D. Let's trace the letter E together. Ready? Use your finger in the air. Straight down. Then 3 lines across. One at the top, one in the middle, one at the bottom. That's uppercase E. Let's trace the letter F in the air. Up, across, and down. Then 2 lines across. One at the top, one in the middle. Fantastic! Let's trace the letter G in the air. Around and curl in. Just like that. Great tracing. Let's trace the letter H together. Ready? Use your finger in the air. Straight down, and a line across in the middle. That's uppercase H. Let's trace the letter I in the air. Ready? Straight line down. Then for uppercase, a line across the top and a line across the bottom. Lowercase I is just a straight line and a dot on top. Let's trace the letter J in the air. Start at the top, curve down, and give it a little hook at the bottom. For lowercase j, do the same, but add a dot on top. Let's trace the letter K in the air. Straight down, then up and slant down. And another slant down the other way. That's uppercase K. Let's trace the letter L together. Down and across at the bottom. Nice and easy. That's uppercase L. Let's trace the letter M in the air. Up, down, down. You made a mountain shape. That's uppercase M. Let's trace the letter N in the air. Up, down on a slant, and up again. Nice job! You made an uppercase N. Let's trace the letter O in the air. Start at the top, go around, and close the circle. Let's trace the letter P in the air. Down and around on top, that's uppercase P. Now let's try lowercase p. Down and a little circle on the side. Let's trace the letter Q together. For uppercase Q, make a big circle. Then add a tiny tail. Now for lowercase q, a circle and a stick down with a curly tail. Let's trace the letter R together. Start with a line down, then a curve at the top and a little leg out to the side. That's uppercase R. Let's trace the letter S together. Ready? Curve this way and curve that way, like a windy road. That's uppercase S. Let's trace the letter T together. Ready? Straight down, then across the top. That's uppercase T. Let's trace the letter U together. Ready? Down, around the curve, and back up again. That's uppercase U. Let's trace the letter V together. Ready? Down, then back up. That's uppercase V. Let's trace the letter W together. Ready? Down, up, up. That makes a W. Let's trace the letter X in the air. Ready? Down across and up across. That makes an X. Let's trace the letter Y in the air. Slanted line going down to the middle. Now go back up and make another slanted line going down to meet the first one. From the middle, draw a straight line down to the bottom. That's a Y. Let's trace the letter Z in the air. Start at the top, straight across, diagonal down. Then straight across again. Zigzag magic. That's a Z. You did it! You learned every letter! Give yourself a zigzag cheer! From A to Z, you're an alphabet superstar!